What's going on, guys? Ryan here. So today I'm gonna be trying out these GT500 mufflers on my car. I think they're GT500. My brother had them on him before he got the new ones. The video, you haven't seen it, go make sure you go check it out. But those are the ones he had before. He had those before and they sounded pretty good chopping. But I just wanted to see how they sound on mine with X-Pipe. Right now it's pretty loud, just like wall up in your face. I just want more of a tone, so I'm gonna be trying these out because they don't. I would probably need to get new tips because these tips are pretty ugly, pretty fucked up too. This one's fucked up right here, and they have like it's cut right there. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get that fixed before I even rock with them. Before I even rock with them, and even probably new tips because these are pretty ugly. I like my old tips. The old tips I have are pretty nice. They're pretty nice. See, they're pretty big. Pretty nice. But yeah, let me just give you like the before right now. I'm gonna give you a little cold start. Then I'm gonna install them. You probably don't want to see how it sounds. Make sure. Yeah, here he goes. That's I think the last cold start. If this doesn't work, 'cause last time my brother had to cut them, so I'm hoping they still fit. I can make it fit. I can make it work. But let's see how this goes. And also about the tune, 'cause I left you hanging about the tune. The tune was shit. Bama was shit, bro. Bama is fucking ass. So I just started talking with Lito about I get a tune once I install my cams. Plan is to go E85 after just run the 93. Until I buy the fuel injectors and fuel pump to go E85, and that's the plan. That'll probably be it for this car. So yeah, let's get this muffler install. So I put them on, but not all the way, because I don't think I'm gonna leave them on, just because the tips look gay as fuck. They look bad. So I just want to see how. I just want to hear how they sound. Possibly keep them, but with better tips. I like these tips. These are pretty big. So yeah, let me just give you a sound test, see how they sound. Personally, see how they sound. Give it more of a tone. It's not as fucking loud and wow in your face with this. Let me give you a couple revs. Digging it. I'm not gonna lie, kind of digging it. Tell me what you know. So should I stay with this, move into this type of mufflers, or stay with the ones I had, just loud all in your face? I don't know. Might end up running these. Just need better tips. These are kind of ugly as fuck. Hey guys. Let me know down below. Make sure you comment you like this video. Tell me which I want to see more. Tell me which one you like better. Tell me which one you like better. Yeah, tell me which one you like better. It's kind of a hard choice. Loud or more of a tone. I've been renting them. I need to do a test drive too, but I'm just gonna put these back together. But yeah, kind of digging this. Yeah guys, this is it, the end of the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what y'all think. Should I keep them or go back to just straight pipes? Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.